It's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make 3 different special delicacies using unripe plantain. Some call it big banana, whichever one. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for your support. The channel is gradually growing. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, it is best to thoroughly wash your plantain before anything else. I mean, why will you peel your plantain and the germs from the skin end up transferring to the plantain itself? I mean, it could make sense now. It doesn't make sense. So for this recipe, thoroughly wash your plantain, peel, cut into desired sizes or shape, season with a little salt and cinnamon powder. Thoroughly mix all of this so as to combine evenly. Lower in hot oil. Deep fry until it becomes golden brown. Thereafter, you take it out and enjoy with your favorite drink, your favorite beverage, your favorite juice. For this recipe, the English name is called Plantain Chips, otherwise known as Ipekere in southwestern Nigeria. Ipekere. So I would appreciate, let me know what you call it in your culture, your tribe, your country, your region. I would love to know that. My dear, look here now. Can you see that? This is really tasty and crunchy. You should try this recipe. For this second recipe, you will need just plantain and water. Water. Thoroughly wash as usual, peel, chop into tiny bits so that your blender will not show you shaggy. What do I mean by that? So you can quickly get a smooth blend. While at it, I would advise not to add unripe plantain to your diet for the fun of it, but to have it at the back of your mind that it is incredibly rich in antioxidants. Unripe plantain prevents anemia, it promotes weight loss, controls blood pressure, and is also a great food for diabetes, weight loss, and heart health. Transfer the chopped plantain into blender, add water in bits so you won't have a very loose consistency in the long run. Can you see that? It a filler. So this is what the end result should give. You transfer this into a pot and stir on low heat until you get everything into form. Stir your spatula gently in the pot. Merrily, 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 gently in the pot. Once you get all of it together, add a little water, steam for 2 to 3 minutes, and give it a final pamper. And here you have the celebrity amala, a popular meal in Nigeria. Oftentimes is made from the powdered form, but in this video I use the fresh one. I mean, let's have it all fresh. You get what I mean? You get the vibe. You can enjoy this with any type of soup, vegetables, okra, bean soup, whichever one. The choice is yours. Thank you for staying tuned, watching the making of celebrity amala. If you have watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe now, please. And that brings us to my favorites on the list, because I get to use orishirishi in getting a perfect result. Please bear in mind that the ingredients used in the 3 videos will be in the description box below. Please do well to check them out. So let's get straight into this video. Thoroughly wash the plantains as usual, peel and chop into bits. Transfer the plantain into an empty pot. Pepper cube, onions, cooking oil, salt, crayfish powder, seasoning cube, herb spice, boiled cow skin, a little water, peppered chicken breast, mackerel fish which has been spiced and boiled. Then you cook. Oh la la, can you see that? It enter your nose. Don't let it enter your nose too much. Get yours and prepare right away. The final task is to steam carrots for 3 minutes, and there you have unripe plantain porridge. To be sincere, this recipe, this food is very, very sweet. Odumbaje. When I say odumbaje, it's sweet. Well. You should try this recipe. Kindly give your honest comments in the comment section below. Thank you for spending your precious time with me.